Hello, let's talk about menstruation. What is menstruation? Periods are a time of bleeding that most girls and women have once a month, and this is known as menstruation, and it is normal. Most girls will first experience it at around the age of 9 to 14. Let's look inside the body to see what changes cause it to occur. And this is a female reproductive system, the part of the body used to have intercourse and involved in producing a baby. It's made of vagina, uterus, also called womb, fallopian tube, and ovaries. The ovaries have thousands of tiny eggs, but usually only one egg will be released each month. The egg will travel down one of the two fallopian tubes and into the uterus. The inner side of uterus will become thicker around this time. If the woman does not have intercourse, then the egg will no longer be needed and the inner side of uterus will break down to become thinner and the material will flow down of vagina as blood. And this process is called period. The bleeding usually lasts for 3 to 7 days. So how should you manage your period? You can use pad or tampons. It's available in your local supermarket or pharmacy. To soak up bleeding, pads are stick to underwear and they should be changed every 3 to 4 hours to avoid the blood sitting and to avoid smell. Tampons are used differently. They are inserted into vagina and later pulled out using a string. They should be changed every 3 to 4 hours because to avoid the risk of infection. Both pads and tampons must be thrown into bin after each use and they should never be flushed into the toilet. What can you do when you have period? You can continue with your all daily activities like exercise and work. It is perfectly fine to wash your body during periods and there is no need to wash deep inside your vagina. How do you feel when you get your period? Sometimes you may feel sad. This is due to the hormonal change happening in your body and it's a problem. You should speak to your doctor for advice. During period, you might also feel some tightness below your stomach and this is normal. It's safe to use some type of medications for pain relief. If however you are feeling a lot of pain, it's not normal and you should speak to a doctor. Finally, when will you stop having your period permanently? Women will usually stop having their period between the age of 45 to 60 and this is called menopause and it means they will no longer be able to produce a baby. Remember, having your period is normal and it's not something you should be alarmed about as long as you manage it with good hygiene and notify your doctor if you are feeling unwell and it won't stop you from living life.